Hello guys, yes, this was a flood escape video, and I'll tell you what's going on. Basically, there's a little hacker in the server touching all the buttons, like a little hacker dude. Like, dude, he's just touching all the buttons. He was like, dude, he was literally touching all the buttons. He's like touching all the buttons. Like, yeah, that dude, that dude, he's just pressing all the buttons. We don't even need to worry about them. Like, just look. Look for yourself. Look for yourself. Like, you see, like I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. We're not even grinding XP at that point, dude. We're just escaping. Like, dude, we're just escaping. That's it. Like, dude, it's not. We don't even need to worry about it anymore. Like, dude, we don't need to worry about it. Like, dude, we don't need to worry about any buttons. We just gotta rescue the escapees. The escapees. The ones down on the floor. I don't know why, but they could just climb up themselves. Like, just imagine not escaping this. Like, dude. The music's not even where the ding, 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 ding. Like, dude, it's not even in that part. Dude, it's not like even in this part. Like, we don't even need to worry about anybody. Bro's just teleporting around. Like, this dude is just teleporting all around. Like, dude, we don't even need to worry about anything anymore. At that point, we just gotta worry about exiting. Like, dude, I was about to be insane. Bro, sinking ship, I was about to beat it, but sadly, I accidentally, since there's like a little thing to slide, I accidentally went like that, and I fell on the way down to the poisonous water. But don't worry. If you see this person, if you want, you can report them. But I'm telling you, did you see him? Like, you literally saw him, and then I think he just teleports back to the lobby. Like, he just teleports back to the lobby, dude. He, like, at that point, he's just helping us, not hacking the game. Like, my boy Crazy Blocks needs to ban him. My boy Crazy Blocks might have to ban him. And the music's not even like to that part, dude. To like that kind of part. Like, we just gotta save escapees. That's it. Like, dude, my boy Crazy Blocks, you gotta wake up. You gotta wake up, my boy. If Crazy Blocks is watching this video, my boy, you have to ban this guy. Like, can't you see he's literally helping? I mean, he could ban him if he wants. But, like, dude. Like, my boy Crazy Blocks is not even online. He's just like offline. Like, my boy Crazy Blocks offline, I mean. But, like, my boy has to wake up. Like, dude, he has to wake up for sure, my boy. Like, bro has to wake up. Like, I'm telling you. Look, we don't even need to worry about we don't even need to worry about it. Like, dude, we don't even need to worry about it. We just gotta escape. That's it, dude. Like, dude, the door's not even open yet. Like, we have to wait, dude. Like, dude, I just gotta wait. Or, oh, puppies. Yep. I think that was a bad idea. I think, yeah, I think we have to pick a different one, I guess. Like, watch. Watch him teleport. See? Did you see him teleport? He was literally at the spawn. Like my boy Crazy Blocks, you have to wake up. If Crazy Blocks is watching this video, my boy has to wake up. Like, dude, you have to wake up. You have a hacker in your game. Like, I'm not telling you. You have a hacker in your game, my boy. At that point, I'm just gonna probably be insane. I don't want the hacker choosing choosing games where there's doors and when you press them they just close. At that point, we're just gonna beat the game. Like this dude's gonna make us go on our way to the extreme. Watch! You see? He's just pressing auto buttons. Like, I don't know if he's trying to steal them or try grinding XP. But honestly, if you're watching this video and you want to become like him and you play Flex game, please do not become a hacker. If you're a little kid, I'm sorry to say, but your mother might ban you from this game. Like, honestly, that's just kind of bad, dude. Like, I never hacked in the game. I mean, I did. Is that it has bad things. I want to try beating Trench Sonar Station. I don't know. Whatever. If you're adult, please pronounce that to me. Like, dude, I'm telling you. Oh, I hate this. The reason why I hate it. Don't question. The reason why I'm good at this game is that I've played this game before. It kind of sounds like the Crazy Blocks chase game. But not really, but it kind of sounds like it. Oh, the thing's literally glitched. Holy, my boy. Think fast, Choco Nuts. I thought I heard think fast, Choco Nuts. That's my favorite thing. Think fast, Choco Nuts. I'm sorry, Crazy Blocks, but I'm beating your game. You have to press the button. Oh, here's the part where I might mess up. Oh, that's where you go. I actually don't know where to go. Absolutely don't know. Like, this guy's gonna escape everything. I don't know if you might fall. I hope this one doesn't have doors. I actually forgot. Like, we don't even need to worry about it. We just gotta... I do not know how I just died at the second respawn. But don't worry about that. Honestly, I'm gonna change my animations. What happened to my animations? Oh yeah. Should I kind of want to use Ninja. If I ever get Robux, I might. I could change into Gubby Samurai. Get it? Gubby Samurai, Gubby Stone, Gubby Storyteller. Yeah. Oh wait, he left? No, someone banned him, dude. Dude, he was actually great. He was great for him. He could have been it's. I thought he was, dude. I think someone banned him. Dude, he was great, honestly. Like he just touched all the buttons. Oh, he stopped. Like, dude was just pressing every button. I'm kind of late, honestly. And you're gonna kill yourself. Yeah. And at least it's still hard. Spotted ruins. Oh, I'm telling you, everybody wants crazy blocks. I already have crazy blocks. I think I showed you guys. I don't know if I was recording at that time. Actually, I don't think I was. What's my beat one and escape one insane map? It's a very long time. I hate that. Who's gonna press the button? Fine, I'll press it. Don't question why I want to press buttons. Please. Please. I think this one was scrap. Dude, I remember when Crazy Blocks was like a skin to game. You had to beat this map, another map, but it wasn't. It's basically impossible. Like, I think only like I remember there was a good guy. See if I can beat it. Yes! I have to save that little child. I feel like escapees are just like little childs. Oh no, I'm gonna die! Sorry. It's a heart. Okay. Alright, good. I beat it this a lot of times. Just watch me fall. Yep. Oh yeah. I don't know why I'm good at flood escape, even though I'm a mobile player. Like, dude, I'm a literal mobile player. So like, die was never gonna spawn. I remember I tried beating this, but for some yeah, you need to have this. Oh my, this is the part where I hate. Oh my! I actually thought I was good, but dude, my I'd rather pick that one, honestly. That one's too. The lava tower, I can't even beat, my boy. Only if that hacker was in there. You could just see me like. That took me 1 minute and 42 seconds. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm actually surprised. Hey, you press it. I ain't pressing it, my boy. Oh my. I could have died right there, dude. How? How'd you actually fall? Oh. We don't explain that, okay. Well, it's so fun. I want to try and clip car, but because I beat it this a lot of times. I didn't. Wait, someone died? No way. This is the part where I usually be up. That's where I usually fall. Oh my goodness. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh. Okay, I got saved. How are we supposed to escape? No! Dude! Now we gotta beat it easy. Which is, I hate. I wanna join the server, honestly. No server, guys? Yeah. Bro, you don't. Dumb people will fall for that, honestly. But you could just go like that, or just go like that, or just jump over, or like that. Like, dude, you don't even need to. You know, I wonder why they're using that, huh? I think I know. I forgot this guy's name. He's like a level 2. You always start with level 1. You get the more XP you get. Dude, I started in December 2025. Like, dude, I remember starting at that time. Like, yeah. Oh my. Go press it. So if you fall. Okay, this guy can go safe for once. Go for it, dude. Looks like I'm gonna have to do it. Forsaken error. Get it? Forsaken. Yeah, you don't. I'm not funny. Wait, who just picked the slow down? Bro, why is there someone's name Big Mac? That's crazy, man. Big Mac playing a game? Man, I'm surprised you guys don't know that technique. Dang it. I started recording. The reason why I recorded a little late is that I wanted to show you guys. For a reason that someone was another person, that person that's coming out. That person. For a reason I thought he was doing it. Like there's a little game pass before back then. But alright, we're gonna join a new server with hard or insane. Honestly, I do not know why. I forgot I'm friends with him. Alright. Kind of sounds like. That was easy. God damn. Dude, I remember when they asked the moderator. Dude, I was trying to get him, but he's like impossible. Like he's pretty impossible. But a new way. There's absolutely new ways. I don't know if it was limited or not. Don't ask. Oh, I'm joining the 7-player one. 8. Dear God. Wait. One level 3, one level 2. I do not know what the level you are. None. Just imagine if let's studio to the moderator. That would be like later on. Like, well, some people are not new. I feel like those two are new. Those two are not new for sure. I forgot. I have Fast Studios. You push the button. Yeah, oh. Oh yeah. I think they added this when they update. Didn't do any announcements. Bro, Dude, Crazy Blocks' avatar is so funny. Like, it's actually funny. My Nether plush here, you can tell it's in. And, yeah, he's kind of, I think he's dead. I think we killed him. Yeah, I think we killed Netherrator. Oh, he's still. Frick you. No, I meant frick you to Netherrator. I don't like it. I don't like him. The plushie version. I want to kill him. And, you know, I'm surprised I still caught that. Oh. What would call for a store? Why am I going to store? You know, I was seeing it.